OK，那我们就开始了。我们今天呢，我们继续去先看一下在 HTML 方面的 syntax，然后我们来瞧一瞧这个 text formatting。Text formatting helps website visitors find the information they are looking for, and it is used to highlight the important content on a page and can make your web pages more accessible and inclusive. OK，那么这里呢有一个怎么样一个 tag，这个 B tag，对吧？它叫做 bold。我们可以看到在屏幕上这里显示的就是怎么样，就是加粗一下。OK，so let's check with Wesley. Oh, you are on mute, Wesley. Yeah, the first one. Yeah. 那么这个 B stands for bold 啊，那么左右对称的，然后呢，它就会使我们的字体更加的粗一点。OK，bold tag. All right. Okay, so continue and add the required text to display the text in bold. Okay, so we know that is um, similar, right? Okay, that's good. So I'm just moving on. Okay, and then we have the italic tag. I is to use to display text in italics. Okay, so let's check with William for this one. Yeah, italic. So that's how it would work. Do you know what does italic mean? Italic. Sounds like Italian, but not really. Italic. Italic 就是斜体字啊，斜体字。Let me try to find something. Okay, so if I do 1 second, if I come here, and then actually I can come to the yeah, this is fine. So I'm just going to come here, and then I'm going to open the code bits, and then um, let me just let me grab anything just and 然后我们看一看用这个 HTML 的我就换一个 just HTML playground. Okay, and so we have this one page title and the body, for example. Now, if I just put something, let's say I put a P, okay, paragraph, and then a closing P, right? And if I just put hello, right? And then if I run that, so let me see where is the run button is here, right? So it will just display here. Now, if I add a bold tag, okay, I use a B here and a closing B here, bold 加粗一下。那么我们看一下 ，okay, so this one get bold, okay, so it feels like it's darker, right? Now, if I try to add another like italic, right? Add an I, and then I add an I here, okay? So and then when I run it, okay, 它就是斜体的意思 OK，就是把它斜一点，斜过来了啊。That's italic. You guys got it? Okay, all right. So okay, awesome. All right, 3 in a row. That's good. 好的，我们继续看一下。So underline tag U is used to underline text. Add the required text to underline the text. 我们问一下哪位程序员来试一下这里要把这个字体加上下划线。好的，我们问一下 Wesley。You are muted. Yeah, use this underline, right? So if I put it here, for example, I can add lots of tags. So if I put a U here, and then I need a closing U, okay? So I just put it here now. And I can use a different new lines. Okay, so that is okay. That is totally fine. I can make it display a little bit better, right? Like open and closing. And then when I run it, okay, you see that I got hello here, right? Now let me change the P to H1. Okay, so it will be bigger, right? So I use H1, and then when I run that, right, it's a bit bigger. Okay, so that's good. 好的，然后我们继续瞧一瞧。那么这里 formatting tags are applied to text and are nested inside elements. Complete the code to apply the italic font inside the paragraph. 啊，哪位程序员来试一下？好，我们问一下 Wesley。对，它就是这个 tag，它是怎么样 ？tag 可以加到外面的 tag 里面啊，movie et，OK，et just an interesting fictional movie，and 然后这个 et 就会变成斜体字啊。OK，five in a row，good。Okay, and then we can see here, right, formatting tags are nested inside the paragraph elements. That's good. So web accessibility is all about making websites more inclusive and removing barriers. 这里的 web accessibility 怎么样？就是说，让我们的网站应用更加的平易近人，OK，更加的贴近用户，就适合各种各样的用户。比如说有的用户他对颜色没有那么分辨的好，对吧？有可能是色盲的。那么这个网站呢，比如说我们用了蓝色或者橙色，对吧？这些颜色就没有那么容易区分出来。那我们在设计网页的时候，就要考虑到我们的网站可能有各种各样的人，比如说有的人这个视力不好，对吧？比如说眼睛看不清楚，那么字体看不太清楚的，那怎么办呢？那比如说我们要加一些喇叭，就是说 audio，对吧？加一些可以读出来的字体。如果说我耳朵听得好，对吧？眼睛看不清，那我可以按一下这个喇叭的按钮，然后可以 let it read out loud. Okay, so here we have the screen readers are programs that make the content of a website accessible to users who are blind, visually impaired, or having a learning disability. OK， 啊，就要一些屏幕阅读的一些应用。Okay, and then we have this strong tag is used to highlight important text. Add the missing text to show importance. Let's check with William. Yes, strong. Yeah, that's right. Okay, and now let's take a look here. Okay, the strong, does it do anything here? So I'm going to put it under the H1, and then let's see. 我这里加一个怎么样？加一个 strong， 它就是一个增强的一个强调的。OK， so I add strong here， 然后呢，对称的我也要 add a strong below. OK, and I need a closing tab. I need a slash. OK, to close it. And when I run it, nothing seems to show, right? Because it's already bolded. 那么我来把这个 bold， 我把这个 b 去掉一下，我把它 comment 掉 ，OK， 那这个 b 不起作用了，然后我们再按一下，以后呢，它还是 bold 啦。这个实际上这个 strong 它也就已经把字体给加粗了哈，它是用来强调的。OK， so strong text is displayed in bold, just like when you use the B tag. The difference is that the strong tag also has meaning and is used by screen readers 啊。那么 strong 还有一个好处呢，就是说这个 screen reader 可能它会读得更重一点吧。So here just an example of display the email as strong. All right. So the emphasis tag 啊，这里还有一个 em 的 tag 啊。Emphasis 也是强调 is used to define emphasize text. Add the missing emphasis tags. 好，我们来问一下 问一下咕咚同学，咕咚同学早。我们看这里的话，我们这里要加两个标签，两个 tag，我们怎么加呢？啊，对，非常好，我们就是对称的，对吧？我们这里加一个 em，然后后面也加一个 em，the book of life。那么我们 check 一下，OK，非常好。然后呢，这里我们也来试试看。我比如说我在这里放一个 em，let's take a look here，em，and then closing 一下，对吧？然后我说一本书，a book，read a book，and then when I run it，let's see。OK，那么这里的话就是相当于它是 emphasize，就是把它强调一下。那这里呢，它也有怎么样，也有像这个 I 的这个作用，因为它这个字体也是便携了，对吧？用斜体字的形式，它去强调啊。So emphasize text is displayed in italic, just like when you use the I tag. The difference is that the screen reader will verbally stress the words. 那么它用这样的标签呢，能够帮助屏幕阅读器去识别哈。So strong and EM tag are considered semantic formatting tags 啊，带有意义的这样一个装饰的标签，because they add meaning to the content. They can serve as an indication of emphasis to a screen reader. OK，那么这里我们问一下哪位程序员来试一下。OK，let's check with William. 你要看清楚它这个对称怎么对称的。OK，all right，EM right？OK，and how about this one? OK，let's check with Wesley. Yes，/p，yeah，啊，相当于两个 paragraph，对吧？两段话啊。那么上面这里是 p 对应的这里的 p，然后这里的 p 呢又对应的这里的 p。OK，就是这样子的哈。那么学了 HTML，那我们可以怎么样？我们就可以简单的去写一些内容了，就有点像出黑板报一样的，对吧？比如说这个 title，right？We can say our our name, right? And then at the body, right, we can add a paragraph about the self introduction, right? So that can be played with. Okay, and let's continue. So here, complete the code. 问一下哪位程序员来试一下。Okay, let's check with Wesley. You are muted. 啊，这里是一个 U，OK，好的。/p right very good 对下划线然后呢段落 exactly so today we've learned these tags okay so very good work and let's get collecting some points and cubes and that's good practice so far all right and then we'll be learning links soon and now let me just let's check with some of the monkey stuff. Okay, so I'm going to check what's it called? So we still have our advanced text coding. So which is that banana tails, advanced topics, right? So let's take a look here. So the flamingos' hides are swapped. Fix them. Oh, we still have this. Okay, let's see. I thought last time we. Oh yeah. Oh okay. Oh, still locked. Right. Okay. Um, let me see. Oh, rewind. Okay. So let's take a look here. If I do rewind, yeah, that lock sign is still there. That's true. Yeah. It could be a bug somewhere. And let me see. Is there anything I can change? Temp flamingo. Okay, interesting. Yeah, what does this reset code? Are you sure you want to reset? Okay, reset. And yeah, whenever I click the editor, it's locked. This one is not locked. Hmm. This one is not. Yeah, this one it just say flamingos. Yeah, the level setup. It set up the flamingo. So flamingo is a list. Yeah, good suggestion. Let's see here. Here we are. Do we know what does these two lines mean? Uh-huh. Yeah, it specifies the flamingo's location and also the height. Yeah, so 512. If I'm checking here, this is 5.8, and here, yeah, 512. So 512 is like the bottom, and then the height is 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's this line is talking about this flamingo, while this line is talking about this flamingo. So this flamingo has a height of 9，它的高度是9，然后呢，它的这个坐标啊，它的坐标就是从这个 1411这里开始，然后呢一直高到9。那我如果怎么样呢？我如果把它变一变，yeah, go ahead, Wesley. Delete the 9, okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's a good idea. But you know what? Even though it doesn't say log, somehow I can't delete it. So it's still yeah. So it's like read only that we can't really modify it. Yeah. Never mind. Yeah. We will I just no, it doesn't allow me typing. 它这里被锁住的。It's okay. It could just be a bug. So yeah, we'll figure out in another time. And let me just come here. Let's check our some of the other modules. Last time we were doing that little frog. Let's see if there's something. Yeah, Frogger. Okay, so let's take a look here. So what does it say? We added two counter widgets, one for the score and another for the number of lives. In this exercise, we will add a text widget to label each of the counter widgets. The text widget has a property named text. You can set the text property like this. 就是说加一些字段的，加一些字体，比如说这里有什么 Hello World，你好世界，这里 Hello World，这里有一个怎么样？有一个名词，有一个这个 显示的这个数字，对不对？So we can also update the text from the settings icon. So instructions, click on the settings icon of the score text and set the text to score. Replace hello world with score. All right, so who wanna give it a try? Give some guidance. 看看哪位程序员想要来试一下。Okay, maybe William. Settings. Okay. So tell me where is the settings? 上面的一个是吗？我看一下哈。哦，sprite。OK，我看一下哦，这里有个 score。哦，OK，that one。OK，score text. Let's see. Is this the one? Score text. Um, yeah, this one is already score. Replace hello world with score. 1 second. So I see hello world here. And let's see. So we want the settings icon of the score text. Okay, so it's this one, score text. 它是说这里的话呢，我要进来以后呢，然后 set the text to score，它要我怎么样把这里要把这里改成 score。OK，so and then 对世界你好，然后呢，so 1 second score text，嗯。Yeah, you're right. Yeah, actually, yeah, we change hello world to score. Yeah, trucks. Yeah, Eric, it just shows later in case it hits the frog. Okay, so we did good. We modified that and click on the settings icon of the lives text. 这是怎么样？有几条命，对吧？在游戏里面的话，like how many lives does the frog have？那么我们就在这里 and Okay, and okay, we wanna set the text to lives，我们就把两个 hello world 把它怎么样改掉了？改掉就是有几条命。Okay, that's good. Now we wanna run and let the frog home, right? We wanna send the frog home. Let's see. So what does it say? What's the word before the the? Get the frog home. OK，那我就 run 起来，对吧？我们注意看3条命，然后呢，score 0分，然后我就 OK，and then we got 100 score, right? If I try again, we will get 200 scores, right? Lives, I just hit a frog, so lives 就怎么样，就少了一条命，就变成了 two. All right, great job. So next one, you think this is just a game? When the frog gets hit by a car, it loses a life. When there are no more lives left, the frog should be deleted. 就是怎么样？当这个青蛙的3条命都没了以后，然后这个青蛙就会 get deleted. Oh, Eric, you draw a frog. Okay, that must be cute. I see. So we use the function destroy to delete sprites from the game. Let's try this first without counting lives. All right, which developer wanna try? 哪位程序员来试一下 ？We wanna just destroy the frog. Okay, Wesley. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So if we do something basic, just put destroy here, I'm assuming, and then update the hit function. So this is the hit function，就是被 hit 就是怎么样撞到的 function to destroy the frog。然后这个是怎么样 frog 的界面，就是说它撞了以后它就会 destroy，对吧？So if I run that and if I right? And then I let the frog hit the car, and then it will destroy. So this part is okay. 然后呢，我们就看到 when the frog gets hit by a car, we need to check if there are no more lives. 怎么样？数一数它的命，就是说 lives counts dot value equals 0, then destroy the frog. Otherwise, we set the frog back to the starting position. We use the operator double equal. 那么我们看到这里两个等号 to check if a variable or a property equals a certain value. So code example, if lives count, the noun 名词是 lives 哈。If lives count dot value equals to 0, car dot destroy. Okay. Yeah. You can go and get it. Okay. William, you can mute if William, you can mute the microphone. Okay, if you are not called. And so else car dot set x 0. In this example, if lives count dot value equals to 0, then the if part of the code will run. 对吧？这里就是一个 if else 的一个 condition， 对吧 ？So now, okay, which developer want to try？ 哪位程序员想要来试一下？我们看啊 ，in the frog's code, update the hit function to destroy the frog. Okay, William, give it a try. William, you are muted. 嗯，frog 到这里已经是 frog，怎么样？他说 in the frog's code，你要 settings 的话，这里就是一些 setting 在这里的。OK，你要我这里就改坐标是吗？那我们看一下，如果我这里改坐标的话，320，然后呢，y 改成360，OK，差不多还在这里，OK，啊，check，OK，no, that you see it's asking for the code. We need to, if you read here, right? There 在这个 hit 被撞的这个 function 这里面这个代码我们要去怎么样？你看 hit 的代码在哪里？你看这个屏幕上这段代码在这里，对吧？然后这里有一些 comments。Are you able to see the comments? OK，你看这里有一个 if else 的这个条件，对吧？If lives count 点 value 等于0了，如果说这个青蛙没有命了，那应该怎么样？Destroy，对吧？那就 core that destroy，对吧？这里要用一个这个 at 键啊，at，那么 destroy，那么我们可以，当然你说的也对，我们要是不确定它这个词怎么写呢？我们在这些比如说 movement 或者哪里，我们去找，对吧？这里的话，呃，在 display 是吧？OK，good finding，yeah，destroy。那么这里的话呢，它是要一个 at 键的啊，根据它这里的这个语法，OK，at destroy。好的，那么然后呢，else，OK，那么我们看一下，那就是怎么样？它要 starting position，对吧？starting position 的话，我们可以说在movement 里面，它有个这个 set x，对吧？set x 320，对吧？set 就是说把什么设置成，把 x 设置成320，然后 set y 会 set y 360. Okay, let's那么这里呢是怎么样？它是说一开始这个青蛙是在这里，但是你it's okay. We just read the code and try to understand what it mean. Okay. 那么威廉这里的只是一开始的 check 在左边啊。So if I press check, there's still some issue here that um it doesn't wait a second. Sorry, back to sprite. Okay. Frog setting. Okay, so frog setting. All right. One second. Oh, okay. Okay, let's do that. So just to move it to a little bit different. So it doesn't. It's something related to this code part. Okay, somewhere it's not doing right. You mean the at, right? Okay, let's see. Sorry, destroy. You mean no at sign or what? 括号是吗？你说 Shift 9和0，does it? If we went to the previous one second. If I come to the previous one, is there a yeah, the previous one you see here, I mean the previous 就是之前的前面的对吧？the exercise 20, so it has a code example, right? It has an add and it has a bracket. So I think this part is it's okay, right? Oops. Let's keep it run, okay? Just in case. Let's see. I'm going to run the game soon, okay? And then they have you know what they have the example here. So they wanna 1 second. They want to do something different, right? So maybe let's try frog. Okay, so we say frog dot destroy. And here, right, 它这里有 code example 啊，这里还好。那么 we can follow the code example. So we say but the instruction here is talking about the frog, right? So we are on the frog page. So frog dot set x, right? 那么在这个 movement 里面 set x 320，然后呢 frog dot set y. Yes, you are right, Eric. So if we do this, check. Okay, so that check work. Now we can get the frog hit by the car 3 times until the frog is destroyed, right? So if I run that, and if I move it, right, I got hit 1, right? So lives drop by 1, and then another hit, right? Drop by 只有1条命了，然后哎呀呀 ，OK，然后就怎么样？它就0条命了以后，它就 frog 就消失了，对吧？So that's how the how the frog get destroyed. All right, so let's yeah, that's a heart. Yeah, it's okay. So let's just take another look. Okay, so we had lots of frogs today, and let's do something else. Okay, so if I'm moving here, so we have the let's take a look at on the platformer. Okay, platformer. Let's take a look. Okay, so exercise, right? It's like Mario or monkey. Okay, monkey. So jump. As you can see, some bananas might be too high to reach. Luckily, we can use the function jump, which will make the monkey jump upwards. Code example is just jump, okay? So we want to do what? We want to change the code so that the monkey will jump when pressing the up arrow. Once you are done, click on the check button. Which developer want to try? 我们问一下 Wesley 看。嗯嗯哼，keyboard up，对，我们就是不是打这个前进一步，然后呢，我们 do 一个这个 jump，对吧？at jump，然后这样以后呢，然后当我们再去运行的时候，它就我按一个 up，它就怎么样就跳了，对不对？这就像 how you control Mario，right？So I'm now right now I'm using key and then I jump get a banana，right？So that's how we get a banana. Nice. 然后这里 stairway to the banana. 怎么样 We can use the tiles to help the monkey get to higher places and to make the game more fun. We can add as many tiles as we want. 这里怎么样？就是我们可以多加一些地砖，多加一些台阶。Complete the stairs so that the monkey can get to the banana. 我们问一下 Wesley。嗯，right. Yeah, I got a paint brush and then we can, okay, nice. Let's see. Oh, I did this one. Oops. And I think now get the monkey, move to the banana. Okay, so if I run, right? And then I can, 怎么样？我可以 jump, 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 jump. And all right, that's good work. Okay, yeah, I think Okay, let's do another one. Okay, if you made a mistake when adding tiles, you can always erase them. Click on the erase icon at the top right corner to remove the tiles. Yeah, hi. Right. So we can use the yeah, go ahead, Wesley. Yeah, the second rightist, and then we can, if we want to erase something, right, we can erase here or erase something if we want to, if we added too many tiles, right? And then here, that shortcut wouldn't work. Okay. So obviously I need to erase more. I can erase these 把这些都把它给 erase 掉。然后呢，我在 run 的时候，that's the easiest way. Okay, good job. 好的，那么时间关系啊，我们今天就到这里了。我们的程序员们还有没有什么问题了？没有啦。好的，那我们就到这里哈，大家周末愉快。哦，一个 hippo，对，好的，行，我们下次再看了。拜拜。